Hey there, today I will show you how to wire transfer money on RBC. First, you need to know what provide RBC with the following information about the receiver. You have your beneficiary transit number, beneficiary account number, beneficiary name, amount of money being sent, and beneficiary address. Now, how you can do it? Uh, if you're using RBC Online Banking, then log into RBC Online Banking, then click Pay Bills and Transfer Funds, then select International and Domestic Wire Transfer, and click Send a Wire Payment and enter recipient's full name and address, recipient's bank details, and then enter the amount and currency, review the details, and click Submit to complete the transfer. Then if you are using the RBC mobile app, then open the RBC mobile app and log into your account, then tap Move Money and then send a wire transfer into the recipient's banking details and amount, review the confirm and transfer, and that's it. That's how you can wire transfer money on RBC.